Okay, so question 2, chapter 5 says, a piano mover races a 100-kilogram piano at a constant rate using a frictionless pulley system. With roughly what force is the mover putting down on the rope? So we're going to have to figure out at what force is this person pulling on. And then we just draw the forces. We got force 1, force 2, and we have our weight, which is mg of the piano. So our equation will be 2F equals mg, because we got two forces, and equals the mass of the piano. So we got 2F equals the mass of the piano, which is 100 kilograms, times gravity, which is 9.8, is 2F equals, so like 980 divided by 2, force is 490 newtons, but 490 newtons, but in this example, they're using 100 times transfer gravity, which is 1,000, divided by 2, that's 500. So the answer is 500.